there, this is Jen, and thanks for joining me today. Today I'm participating in a super sponsor hop for Kendra's card challenge, and the super sponsor is Pixi Dust Designs, and I'm going to be using this adorable stamp set called Winter Penguin, and I will be using this stamp that I've already gone ahead and colored up in some Copic markers, and then I will also be using their new product and their new paper pad called Gingerbread. And so the papers that I'm going to be using are going to be these three right here. And from Kendra's card challenge, I am using a sketch number 5. And I'm going to go ahead and talk a little bit about the hop, as well as the challenge, and as well as Pixi Dust Designs. This is a really short video because this card came together very quickly. And so I'm going to go ahead and let you know that this is a giveaway hop, and Pixi Dust Designs has generously offered a giveaway prize. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the link in my description. As well, you will find the next person on the hop in the description, or you can go ahead and click on the hashtag. My video is cut short because I don't know if I lost the footage or I just didn't record, but I'll go ahead and show you how the card is put together, and then it just kind of stops. And so I do apologize for that. But if you're not familiar with Kendra's card challenges, it is a challenge where you go ahead and create 15 cards using 6x6 sheets of paper, and Kendra provides the cut files as well as the card sketches for you to be able to do that. And this is there is a new challenge every quarter, but you can win every month out of the quarter. If you want to win for that, you just need to go ahead and be a part of the challenge Facebook group, and then you create your 15 cards and submit them to an album there, and that is your entry to try and win some fabulous prizes. So I want to thank Pixi Dust Designs for generously sponsoring Kendra's card challenge, and that is it for me. That is my card. Like I said, super quick. I hope you enjoy your way along the hop. Thanks so much for joining me. If you liked this video or found it informative, I would love a thumbs up. As always, I thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope to see you next time.